Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to add games on Discord. For that, first you have to open the game. I have already opened the game, which is Valorant. After opening the game, when you are in Discord, you can see it is automatically detecting the game. If you go to settings, then scroll down and go to activity status, you will find that the game is already added. Sometimes, if because of any problem the game isn't showing in Discord, you can also manually add it. For that, you can click on this edit button. When you click on this edit button, Discord will show you all the available games in your computer. In my computer, only Valorant is installed, but if you click on this select button, you will see all the programs or the games that are available for Discord to use. Discord detects browser and some other programs as well. If you have multiple games installed in your computer, you can add all those games through this option. For example, I will add Opera browser as a game. For that, I will click on Opera and click on add game. It will be added. Also, you can remove a game as well from this option. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.